Okay, shut down your laptop. Get your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the bottom screws for all of the screws. Gently lift up the bottom cover. Okay, so disconnect this battery connector by just lifting it up, and there's a few screws on both sides. So done with that, lift it up. First of all, if you want to replace your battery, make sure you keep this cable, because the battery you're going to be purchasing would not come with this one. So you lift it, simply disconnect it. Okay, that was tough. And the battery part is right there. So this is the part number, F3YGT. Now, you can also buy it based on the model number of the laptop itself, which is on the back cover, Latitude 7480. But I don't recommend that, because you see this one is 60 watts and some of them comes with smaller sizes. So you want to make sure you get the full sized battery, not the half size.